In recalling the stalwarts of India's freedom struggle, there is one name integral to the movement for sheer earnestness, single-minded commitment, depth and breadth of contribution, and making words into deeds. Jamnalal Bajaj. To propagate and promote the ideals to which Jamnalal Bajaj devoted his whole life, the Bajaj Group, at the initiative of Jamnalal Ji's younger son, Ramkrishna Bajaj, founded the Jamnalal Bajaj Foundation in 1977. Besides undertaking various rural development projects in selected areas, the foundation honors the outstanding contribution of people engaged in work on Gandhian lines through 4 annual awards. Each of these awards carries a citation, a trophy, and a cash prize of Rs 5 lakhs. Over the years, the Jamnalal Bajaj Awards have come to be respected as the most coveted ones in their fields. This is amply reflected in the multidimensional work of the recipients, the eminence of the members of selection panels, as also the stature of the chief guests who presented the awards in the years gone by. The Jamnalal Bajaj Awards are thus a fitting tribute to Gandhiji and the man he adopted as his 5th son. The recipients of the 2011 Jamnalal Bajaj Awards are Shri Ramesh Bhaiya and Srimati Vimla Behen, Shri Anupam Mishra, Srimati Shobhana Ranade, and Agus Indra Udiana. Agus Indra Udiana, since a decade, has been actively engaged in promoting Gandhian values in Indonesia. He has been constantly participating in various national and international fora on nurturing democracy, religious harmony through interfaith dialogue, education, and involvement of youth in activities promoting Gandhian value.
Jangan ganggu saya yang percaya dan penuh kepercayaan kepada Mahatma Gandhi bahwa ajarannya adalah ajaran yang benar, bahwa kekerasan di dunia ini lambat laun akan terkikis habis oleh kecintaan manusia.
Karena Indonesia tanpa menerima pluralisme itu bukan Indonesia. Itu juga yang dikatakan Gus Dur. Beliau selalu mengatakan kita mesti tetap mempertahankan Pancasila.
Agus Indra Udiana is disseminating Gandhian ideologies, particularly those relevant to the prevailing social concerns. He has translated several Gandhian writings into the Indonesian language. Agus Indra Udiana runs 4 ashrams in Bali and Lombok, based on the principles of non-violence, truth, and humanitarianism. Under the leadership of Agus Indra Udiana, the 4 ashrams facilitate accommodation and overall developmental support to the economically poor students. All these ashrams are managed by the students who have been provided with infrastructure and finance to manage daily affairs of the ashrams. The local people have benefited a great deal from the services and teachings of the ashram in the areas of brotherhood, self-reliance, and environment. Suffused with the spirit of Gandhiji, Agus Indra Udiana continues to dedicate himself to the ideals of peace and non-violence, working steadfastly towards equanimity and universal brotherhood.
And humanitarianism, Agus Indra Udiana has been actively engaged in promoting Gandhian values in Indonesia through his 4 ashrams in Bali and Lombok. He disseminates Gandhian principles, particularly those relevant to the prevailing social concerns. He has also translated Gandhian writings into the Indonesian language. Prompted by a serious concern for the spiritual, cultural, social, and economic life in Bali, the ashram Gandhi Puri was established to promote interreligious harmony and meaningful dialogues to create a culture of peace, justice, and healing. Under the leadership of Aegis Indra Udayana, the ashram provides accommodation and overall development support to the economically marginalized students. The local people have benefited tremendously from the services and teachings of the ashram in the areas of peaceful relations, self-reliance, and environmental protection. Recognizing the power of art and culture in creating social understanding, Aegis Indra Udayana promotes Indian art and culture in Indonesia. He has sought support of the Indian Council for Cultural Relations to present Balinese culture in India. Aegis Indra Udayana maintains close contact with the prominent Gandhian institutes and scholars in India. Working in close coordination with the NGOs promoting Gandhian values, he regularly participates in social work activities in India, Indonesia, and other parts of the world. The Jamnalal Bajaj Foundation feels honored to present this citation and the Jamnalal Bajaj Award for the outstanding contribution in the field of promoting Gandhian values outside India to Aegis Indra Udayana.